Smith and Wesson in the joint one time. Pulling the coast to this newness in 94. You know what I'm saying? Lock your doors, nobody's safe. You know what I'm saying? Check it out.
I walk around town with the pound strapped down to my side. No frontin' just in case I gotta smoke some. Round here, heads don't act the age. It might be another dead boy on page. Into the cipher with your lighter. L's are ready, prepare for another all-nighter. But keep a watch for the cops, cause they rock Glocks. Coming on the block trying to rock knots. Pigs be acting like they bigger than us niggas from the streets, cause we stalk mad deep in them more beats. I guess them hold a grudge, cause I won't budge. Playing tough, staring down the judge with my hands cupped. Standing there with my nappy hair and my dirty gear. All a war year, now I'm up out of here. Pigs lift me up and down with the front. Is it because I'm down or is it because I'm from Bucktown? Home of the original gun clappers. 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 Home of the original gun clappers.
Got 5 MC that want a contest. We got your nooses ready hanging over the trees. Bring on your sounds and get drowned by my massive. Kill your body boy and hold your love up for hostage. Knock, knock, nigga, knock, that's 4 shots empty. On a violator that was sent out to get me. I'm told up from the flow up and everything's black, but still I'm on point, ready to buck, ain't nothing sweet, Jack. Bucktown, I represented on the love. Deeply rooted from my Timbs to my dick above. Don't sweat the bulge coming from my hip. Grip what you get hit when I let my tool click. Nowhere to run, ambush lurks in the dark. Helter skelter smirks while you're getting torn apart. Here comes the rude boys with the ganja plants. Smith and Wesson.